Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am back here with another unboxing video of Samsung M51. And I bought this from Amazon Great Indian Festival, and its actual price given in the Amazon is 24,999, and we can also apply for an instant discount of rupees 3,000 on SBI credit card, and I got it at 21,999. And here I purchased the electric blue variant, and this phone has got 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, and it is completely made in India product. And one of the interesting feature of this phone is its battery capacity, and it is 7000 mAh, and it is said that it is India's first phone with this much battery capacity. Now I am going to open the box, and at first itself we can see the Samsung M51. Let me just take it out, and here is the electric blue variant of Samsung M51. Let me just keep it aside and just look through the other contents of the box. And this contains a SIM ejection pin, and it also has the user manual, and as well as the warranty card. And the box also has got a 25 watt USB Type-C fast charger, and it is said that it charges the phone 100% in 115 minutes. And we also have got the USB Type-C cable. USB Type-C cable. Okay, that's about the contents. Now we can just go through the phone. And another main thing is that this phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G processor. And coming to the back side, we have the meanest camera ever, that is the 64 megapixel quad camera with Sony IMX682 sensor. And this is the 5MP camera, and this is the 64 megapixel main camera. And it also has got a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 5 megapixel macro for the extreme close-up images. And coming to the side, we have the volume adjusting button, and this is the power on and off button, and it is having a side fingerprint sensor, and this is the place where we is having the fingerprint sensor. And in an interesting feature is that it has within a single take we can take up to 10 photos and video outputs. And about the front camera, it is a 32 megapixel front camera with Sony IMX616 sensor. And about the display, it has got the meanest display, that is AMOLED LED plus display, and it is 6.7 inches, and it is 43% slimmer and 28% lighter. It is very lightweight. Coming to the downside, we have 3.5 mm jack, and this is the slot for charging unit, and this is slot for the speaker. And this phone has got a feature, that is the reverse charging. We can charge two phones by connecting Type-C to C cable. Now coming to the left side, we have the slot for placing the SIM. Let me just open it, and here is the slot for the SIM, and here we have two slots for the SIM and a dedicated SD card slot. Now we can switch on the phone by long pressing the power on button. And here is the home screen of the new M51, and we have the menu options right down by swiping from down, and we can also take other settings by scrolling down. It has got an inbuilt screen recorder and has got other features of the Samsung phone. And that's all about today's video, and please do like, subscribe and share my channel, as well as please press the bell icon to get further updated with my videos. And also, if you have any queries, please put it in the comment box below, and thank you.